Hello everyone, how are you all? So guys, today I'm here with the second session of our idea generation one. So basically, I know so many students are actually facing problem in idea generation. That's the only reason we have come up with these classes. So I hope these are or these will be definitely beneficial for you. So let's proceed guys. Today we have the question, should museums and art galleries be free of charge or for the general public, or should a charge, even a voluntary charge, be levied for admittance? So guys, what exactly we need to know? We actually need to know the meaning of every single word here. So just get started guys. Should museums and art galleries, so they are talking about museums, art galleries, be free of charge? Okay, so totally free for general public, for the common public, general public. And should a charge, even a voluntary charge, should a charge, even a voluntary charge be levied? So should voluntary charge be levied for admittance? So guys, try to understand the meaning here. Admittance mean entrance. Okay, they want to say entrance, entry. ठीक है, so that is admittance. Okay, now levied means लागू होना. Actually इस पे कुछ लागू होना चाहिए, levied होना चाहिए, should be there. Should a charge, even a voluntary charge means whatever public is feeling, they can put it on their own. Okay, so it's like they're not going to give it a fixed charge. So it's like should be free of charge, or should a charge, even a voluntary charge, whatever you feel like, voluntary as in the sense on your own free will. Okay, so on your free will. So what exactly you're looking forward to, whether you want to pay this amount. There are people who'll feel like paying 500 bucks, and there will be people who'll pay only, there will be persons who'll pay only 10 or 20 rupees. So it varies. So voluntary charge should be there or not. Okay, so that's the question here. They are actually asking a question. They are asking, should museums and art galleries, simply speaking, I'll just translate it once in Hindi, क्या म्यूजियम्स और आर्ट गैलरीज को बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होना चाहिए, कि एंट्री बिल्कुल फ्री होनी चाहिए कॉमन पब्लिक के लिए, या फिर कोई एक चार्ज होना चाहिए, चाहे वो शुड अ चार्ज, इवन अ वॉलंटरी चार्ज, कोई चार्ज होना चाहिए, चाहे वो वॉलंटरी चार्ज ही हो, बी लिवाइड फॉर एडमिटेंस? एक्चुअली क्या होना चाहिए? So they're talking about two things here. Either it should be free or voluntary charge. Okay, so we have understood the question in detail. Now we are going to actually start the idea generation part. Here the question is mainly museums. Okay, museums should be free for all, or entry in museums should be free for all, should be free for all. ठीक है, then should there be a charge? Should there be a charge? So the main question is here only. Now they are saying, what is your opinion? This question could have been a question like discuss both views as well. So if it would have been both views, so one view and another view. Okay, but I'm explaining you the idea generation part. So definitely I'm going to explain you for and against part. If you are in favor of this, what do you think? What exactly do you think about this? Should art galleries be free of charge? So firstly, I'm going to give the opinion for this one. ठीक है, so why? ठीक है, museums, ठीक है, why entrance to museums be free? Okay, ठीक है, for all or for common public, for general public. ठीक है, so the question is this only. ठीक है, firstly we need to, they said give what is your opinion. So according to you, if you are in favor of this, you'll be writing this. You think that entrance should to museum should be free for all, ठीक है, for common public, or should be free for all, whatever you feel like, ठीक है, should be free for all. So why you are going to, if your opinion is this, if you are saying ki entrance should be free, then why entrance to museums be free? So practically speaking, here you are not going to look at the grammar part, because we are just planning, we are at the, we are in the actually planning stage, we need to plan our answer. So why entrance should be free? We need to have two ideas minimum, because if we are agreeing or disagreeing, if we are on either of two sides, ठीक है, if we are on either of two sides, we need to have proper opinion, we should have more reasons. So I'm going to give you three reasons for this one. Talking about the first reason, what do you think, why entrance to museums be free for common public? So the first thing here is free entry will enable, what will it do, ठीक है? So free entry will enable general public to learn about history, ठीक है, sorry, will enable general public to learn about history. Okay, so they'll get to know about history, ठीक है, their rich cultural heritage as well, to learn about history. Okay, अब यहीं पे you can use a word rich cultural heritage. Okay, so the first point is this. Talking about the second one, second point क्या हो सकता है, why entrance should be free, why entrance should be free. So the main question is whole, it is all rotating around this, why entrance should be free. Okay, so it promotes national pride. Okay, it promotes national pride, obviously हमारे nation की pride है ना, कि अगर हमारे म्यूजियम्स में बहुत कुछ, बहुत अच्छे से हमारे म्यूजियम्स, अगर हमें सब कुछ पता है, सो वी आर एक्चुअली प्राउड ऑफ आवर नेशन. सो प्रमोट्स national pride. Okay, and talking about the third one, what is it doing? As I mentioned earlier, we are going to relate these 2 points. Promotes rich cultural heritage or country's cultural heritage. That's what I mentioned earlier as well. We are going to make another point for this. Promotes or will merge first and third one. Country's cultural heritage. Okay, so country का क्या हो रहा है, cultural heritage, various cultures का जो भी heritage है, जो history है, वो cultural heritage को क्या कर रहा है, it is not only saving, it is saving our country's cultural heritage. Yes, so it is saving our country's cultural heritage. So that's what we are going, not only promoting but also saving it. Okay, for the future generation. So that's what, why it should be free, because if it will be free, so what will happen, general public will get to know more about the history of the nation. ठीक है, promotes national pride. ठीक है, म्यूजियम्स में if it will be free, more and more people will be going to museums. ठीक है, they need not to pay same fee again and again, so they'll be going more, they'll get to know more about a particular place, they'll get to know more about our cultural heritage, our history. So it will definitely promote national pride. And last, it is going to save our country's cultural heritage, various culture जो भी heritage है हमारा, that's something which will be saved with the help of free entry, as every other person can visit the museum without any cost. So these are the, this is what in, these are all the points in favor why entry to museums be common. So now point, they ask what is your opinion. If you are at this side of the opinion, you can write these 3 points. But if you are on the other side, okay, if you are on the other side that there should be a charge, then what are you going to write? There should be a charge. So why there should be an entrance fee, an entrance charge. We are going to use synonyms, guys. Okay? So why there should be an entrance fee? So why? Basically, we need to write this. When you'll have a question like such, for body paragraph 1 and 2, if you are stating your opinion and you are saying कि you totally feel कि free entry should be there, then you are writing free entry Why free entry? You will have the same question for body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. But if you are on the other side, then you will have the question why there should be an entrance fee. So practically speaking, the money can be used to restore and protect works of art. The money can be used easily. The money और the amount, ठीक है, the amount received from entrance fees, ठीक है, ठीक है, the amount received can be used to restore कर सकते हो आप. You can actually save the things. You really need, अब देखो, when the museum is been in the place for a long time, this needs renovation as well. So when it needs renovation, we need some certain amount. So to restore and protect works of art, so to restore arts or works of arts, क्योंकि they are not only talking about museums but also art galleries. So they need renovation, they need, okay, yes, so they are talking about restore. We need to restore arts, ठीक है, or works of arts. अब now the second one, why there should be, this is our second question, but why? So we are going to give our second opinion here, and our second opinion is the money generated, जो भी amount generate होगा, can basically, we get government subsidies are very limited. Okay, so whatever subsidy we get from the government is very limited. So government subsidy, ठीक है, what is happening, government subsidy is limited. So the amount is going to actually compensate. Okay, so the amount received will compensate. Okay, और विल हेल्प इन रेगुलर वर्क्स, क्योंकि रेगुलर कुछ ना कुछ होना होगा ही ना वहां पे. वियर एंड टियर होते हैं, थिंग्स बहुत ज्यादा जब यूज हो रही है रेगुलरली, पीपल आर कमिंग, पीपल आर सीइंग, सो वन और द अदर थिंग विल गेट स्पॉइल्ड एज वेल. सो वी रियली नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट ऑल द आर्ट पीसेस, सो विल कॉम्पेंसेट, ठीक है, और विल हेल्प इन प्रोटेक्टिंग द आर्ट पीसेस. ओके, so the money, we are getting government subsidy, but along with that we are getting the money from, we are getting the amount from entrance fee as well. So that amount along with government subsidy will definitely help to, yes, so will definitely help to take care of this museums and art galleries, to restore museums and art galleries. So these 2 points can easily be mentioned when it comes to a question like such. So clearly question was not difficult, but they had used some difficult words, voluntary charge as in like on your free will. Okay, so here we can also mention one point, definitely there must be charge, but people should not be forced to give an amount. So people should not be forced to pay. They should be, there should be a charge, but that should be voluntary, as it will not only force anyone but also help people to value the art. Okay, so if they feel like they are going to do it themselves, but this voluntary amount will definitely help a lot in the renovation works or in restoring the art as well as in protecting the art pieces. So that's what can be said. The whole question is about your opinion, but I have not only explained your opinion. If you want to write, this question can be seen as discuss both views as well. If the question is seen as discuss both views, we are going to write this part in body paragraph 1 and this part in body paragraph 2. So when we are writing this part in body paragraph 1 and the other in body paragraph 2, what exactly is happening? We are giving two opinions. So we have first view and second view, and we can be on either of two sides or we can partially support both, and that's what we are going to give our opinion in the conclusion itself. So this is all about a topic related to arts. You're not only preparing a question on this, but this question is not only preparing the agreement one, okay, only the agreement or to what extent answer, but also the answer related to discuss both views. Okay, so that's what we actually do in the planning stage. So I hope this session session is useful, guys, as I mentioned in the previous session as well, if you're facing problem in any of the questions, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I'm going to shoot one video and one idea generation session. Basically, I'll be live, and that idea generation session according to the topic given by you. So on the same topic given by you, so try to send topics if you feel like sending. So that's all for today, guys. See you tomorrow again at 12 o'clock. Bye.